This is how to create an Amazon listing with variations from scratch, starting from day one. Within the Amazon account, we're going to go to Catalog, Add Products. We are going to search using our UPC code, and it says no results found, which is perfect, exactly what we want. So we're going to go down here and click Create a New Listing. We're going to put in the title, which I've already created, and then also upload a few images of our product. There's this new AI generation for the content, so we can let it generate the base content here. Okay, it shows my product type correctly, so I'm going to confirm that. Okay, this product has variations. We're going to check that off. We're going to check off what the variation is. For us today, it's going to be color. Okay, it already generated a product description and some bullet points. You can make changes to these if you want. Missing one of the ones, so I'm going to go and grab that. We're going to go to the next step on the product details. Make any adjustments you need to. Okay, then we're going to go to the variations themselves. We're going to add the different colors. Then we make our SKUs. Now we're going to add our UPC codes. We're going to add an image for each. All right, let's set quantity. Just putting in a placeholder for now. All right, and now we go to the offer itself. Put the list price. You just fill in all the extra details. Yeah, and the weight. All right, it's everything on the offer. You're gonna make a SKU, and then add in your information on safety and compliance. Hit submit at this point. So your finished listing is going to look something like this, where it shows the different colors of the product or the different sizes. And that's how you create an Amazon listing from scratch. If you need any help with creating your listing, or you run into any errors or issues, just write in the comments and we'll try to help solve the problem. I have another video where we show how to turn existing listings into a variation listing, which you can reference as well.